What's up, my beautiful people, and welcome back to my channel. And if you have not subscribed, go ahead and hit that pretty red button down below so you'll know each and every time I upload a new video. And for those of you who are returning, thank you so much for tuning into this channel. It means absolutely the most to me. So we're just gonna get into it. Can we? Okay, so in this video, I'm going to be taking you through my step-by-step process of how I do my wash and go. But I decided to add a little bit more spice to this video because I'm trying new products that I have not tried before. I'm trying the Aussie Miracle Curls line. Actually, just two Miracle Curl products from Aussie, which is the Frizz Taming Creme, which is this, and then the Miracle Curls Creme Pudding, which is this. Okay, so I will be using those products to see if it'll give me some definition and some shine and moisture to my curls. So I've heard really good things about them and I am eager to try them out. So I will be trying those out for the very first time on you. Well, on myself for you today. And also my moisturizer shampoo that I already use, I will be pairing it with the Total Miracle 7-in-1 conditioner that Aussie provides. And of course it's 7-in-1 because it provides 7-in-1 things. Y'all, it says damaged hair crying out for a miracle. Look, that is me, okay? Because my hair is looking for a miracle. It is. It say, y'all, we got you covered. Y'all, that's what it said. We got you covered. I said, okay, well, fine, good. It says infused with apricot and Australian macadamia oil. It says our formula has 7 benefits. That's it, y'all. 1, strength against damage. Okay. 2, softness. Boom. 3, split end protection. 4, moisture. Look, because I've been saying, y'all, I need some moisture back into this hair, so that's awesome. Humidity control. Woo! Lord knows I need that because, y'all, we stay in Texas. Then there's shine. Okay, that's number 6. And then smoothness is number 7. So I said, look, I'm here for it, and I cannot wait to put that product in my head. I'm going to be doing that as a conditioner, and I'm going to let it sit on my head, let it marinate a little bit, and keep on pushing. So what we're gonna do is I'm gonna stop talking so much and I'm gonna go ahead and hop in the shower and I'm gonna let you guys see that I'll be back. Okay, y'all, so I am back and I'm in the shower, and as I was telling you, I'm about to wash my hair.
So as you can see, I have my hair in twist, and once I fully saturate my hair with the water, I undo the twist and I continue on with the washing process because it's so much more easier to manage when it's in twist and it's not tangled. So let's just continue with the washing process, shall we?
So I'm gonna do a deep conditioning on here, on my head. And I'm gonna put a plastic cap on it and sit under the dryer and let it sit probably about 20 minutes. And I've coated my hair. It feels really good, y'all, and it smells so good. Okay, so I'm gonna put a plastic cap on it and I'll get back to you. Okay guys, I am back. I have just finished rinsing out the conditioner, and so as you can see, my hair is damp, but it's not super wet. So I am going to have to saturate it with some water to get it wet again so that I can put the product in there. So that is what I'm going to do. So what we're going to do is we're going to take it in sections, piece by piece. We definitely have to detangle, although I've detangled. I detangled before I got into the shower, but we're still gonna have to detangle probably. Okay, so we're gonna saturate it. Okay, we're gonna saturate it, and we are going to. That was detangling spray. So I put some detangling spray on it, and then we are going to put a little water on there, get it all nice and saturated. Okay, then what I'm going to do, I'm going to use this first, the Frizz. There you go, I see Miracle Curls Frizz. You can see it. Focus, great. Miracle Curl Frizz first, and see what that does. It smells good, y'all. Smells really good. Oh, this little piece of hair, it's just not acting right. Okay. Okay, let's see what it's doing. Okay, it's trying to do a little something. I'll put a little more, because those ends, honey, be kind of crunchy. Okay. Okay. Yeah. Alright, and I'm taking my little brush. It's not a diamond brush, it's the bootleg version of it. But it still works. Okay. Alright. Okay, that's that side. Okay, a little bit of curls there. Trying to get a little. Okay, you got little curls going. Okay. Alright, alright. I'll put a little bit more on there, you know, because maybe. So, okay. We did that. We're gonna put curls, what's the name on? See? Get in focus. We're gonna put that. Get in focus. Okay, we're gonna put that on top of what I just did. And see the cream pudding. See if that's gonna help a little bit with the curls. Definitely looks some kind of way. Okay, see, it looks a little. Okay, y'all, so I am back and it is the next day, and I just want to show you guys what kind of definition these products has made on my hair. Y'all, look at this definition. Can you see it? I don't know if you can see it, but look. Yes, look how, look. You see how that is so defined there? Amazing. Okay, I'm coming back to the, yeah, I was like, oh my God, my hair has not been this defined in, I mean, a long time. So I am really in awe of this product. I put a little bit of sheen in it, but somebody did recommend me getting the Aussie There's some kind of hydration, I believe oil or something, hydration oil or something that they have, and somebody recommend to get that to put on your hair so you can have a little bit more extra shine, and so you can really see the curls pop, and it's more of a thicker oil consistency. So I will be probably investing in that. So next time I do a wash and go routine with these products, because I will be using these products again because they're so fabulous, I will be adding the hydration oil to my hair so I can see what kind of definition it does. But yes, y'all, I'm so in awe of these results, and I am, yes, just excited about this curl that I'm rocking. Only thing I can say is that I kind of wish that my curls weren't so scrunched, I guess you would say, but that my curls can be like a little bit more like big, like my hair could, like I can stretch out my curls, be a little bit more big, because the shrinkage, y'all, is very real with this product. So we'll probably try and do something. I would really like something where I can make the curls kind of stretch, you know, so that it can make my hair look a little bit more fuller. But yeah, y'all, this product is amazing. I have a type 4 hair. I'm sure that this product would work on type 3 hair and other curl textured hair or kinky curly hair. I will list down below in the description the name of each product that I did use, because y'all, this is bomb. And so I'm gonna be I am gonna continue to keep using this in my wash and go routines and curly routines when I do my like maybe twist outs or whatever. I think I'm gonna use that cream pudding, because that cream pudding was really, really good, y'all. I think that was really what gave it its super defined curls and definition. But you guys try it out and you let me know what you think about the products down below. Once again, y'all, if you have not subscribed to my channel, go ahead and subscribe. Can't wait to see you guys back next week on Life with Tab with your girl Tab. Peace.